Hello, I am Akul Rawal and I am back for my series Sounds of Innovation Inspiration R.D. Burman. This is the fourth episode of my series and I am thankful to all of you for giving me great response to the series. In this episode, I will showcase some more instruments which I have created and how it resembles with the original sound created by Panchamda in his film scores. This is a bamboo woodblock which I have made. I have cut down the bamboo in such a way that I can create different sounds from a single bamboo. Now hear the sound. Now hear how it sounds with the original sound created by Panchamda.
प्यार तुम्हें किस मोड़ पे ले आया ये दिल करे हाय हाय कोई ये बताए क्या होगा प्यार हमें किस मोड़ पे ले आया के दिल करे हाय हाय कोई ये बताए क्या होगा
This is a plate cajon, an instrument which I have created. It's a simple plate and it creates the sound of snare drum. Now hear the sound. Now hear how it resembles with the original sound created by Panchamda.
लेकर हम दीवाना दिल फिरते हैं मंजिल मंजिल
This is a kanjira instrument which I have created from an old tool. Hear the sound of the instrument. And now hear how this sound resembles with the original sound created by Panchamda.
इश्क मेरा बंदगी है इश्क मेरी जिंदगी है आशिकों का अर्श डेरा आशिकों का अर्श डेरा आशिकों के सातों जहां इश्क मेरा बंदगी है इश्क मेरी जिंदगी है
This is the compact tumba which I have made, especially for the players who are traveling a lot. It is very easy for them to carry. Now hear the sound. Now hear how it resembles with the original sound created by Panchamda.
तुझसा हंसी देखा न कहीं तू होगी मेहरबान कभी न कभी
these are the modern khartals which I have made. Original Rajasthani khartals are very difficult to play. So I have created these modern khartals for drummers and percussionists. They can easily play on the laps. Hear the sound. Now hear how it sounds with the original sound created by Panchamda.
जरा झांको तो क्या कहती है जान लो कौन अपना है कौन बेगाना भरी महफिल में पहचान
I have made lots of instruments from waste material, scrap. This is the waste computer cartridge, and I have made a shaker out of that thing. Hear the sound. These are the PVC pipes, and I have made a shaker from this PVC pipe. Now here with the original sound created by Panchamda.
कल क्या होगा किसको पता अभी जिंदगी का ले लो मजा कल क्या होगा किसको पता अभी जिंदगी का ले लो मजा कल क्या होगा किसको पता अभी जिंदगी का ले लो मजा.
This is the paddle matka instrument which I have created. Original paddle matka was created by Mr. Indulkar for Panchamda. The concept of the instrument is when I pull the bell towards the downward side while playing, it changes the sound of the instrument. Now hear the sound of the instrument.
ಮುತ್ತು ಕೋಳಿ ಕವ್ವಾರಿ ಹಡ ಮುತ್ತು ಕೋಳಿ ಕವ್ವಾರಿ ಹಡ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಮುತ್ತು ಕೋಳಿ ಕವ್ವಾರಿ ಹಡ ಮುತ್ತು ಕೋಳಿ ಕವ್ವಾರಿ ಹಡ ಅಯ್ಯೋ रे प्यार में जो ना करना चाहा वो भी मुझे करना पड़ा
मुत्तु कोई कव्वाली हड़ा मुत्तु कोई कव्वाली हड़ा अय्यो रे प्यार में जो ना करना चाहा वो भी मुझे करना पड़ा.
अಯ್ಯೋಡ
Panchamda used lots of world percussion in his music scores. He was so ahead of his time. Hope you liked the episode. We'll see you soon. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Akur Rawal Band Rhythm Pulse.